Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can replace the battery on your Tile Pro. So if you want to check if you have a dead battery, what you can do is you can press the button twice and it will play a tune. So right now this battery isn't dead. I'm doing this purely for the purpose of the video, but if it doesn't play a tune, that might suggest that your battery is dead. So what we need to do is we need to take off this bottom compartment here. So there's a little indent here. Just put your nail in there and slide it down. You can see that it's moved down just about 1 millimeter, and it will allow us to lift it up like so. We then need to get a paper clip, or paper clip might bend. You can use a little small screwdriver just into this little hole here, and you just need to prise it up like so. That will lift the battery out, and the battery we need is a CR2032. So that means it's 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters in depth. You will get other brands that's not called CR. If it's 2032, it'd be okay. For example, DL2032 will also be okay. That would be a Duracell one. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the new battery in here, and we're going to have the positive side facing up, the negative side facing down. So we place it in there like so, press it into place, then get the cover, and you just place it back on about 1 millimeter less than that top bit there. Just drops in there nicely, and then just clip it into place by pushing up, and then just double tap, and you will see there it's making the sound again with a different battery. So that's it, nice and straightforward. And when it comes to the old battery, make sure you dispose of it safely. Do not let kids swallow or play with that battery. Thanks for watching.